Can you survive with just one bank account? Ever walk into a store and realize your debit card just won't work? Or maybe you're trying to manage your finances across borders and currency exchange rates are turning your hair gray. We all rely on our bank accounts for everyday life, but what if there were limitations? Could you survive with just one bank account? Well, that question might lead you straight to another one. Can you have multiple bank accounts? The answer? Absolutely. In fact, depending on your financial goals, having multiple accounts can be a total game changer. Today, we're diving deep into a specific option, Monese accounts. We'll explore whether you can have more than one Monese account, and if so, how it might benefit you. But before we jump in, let's take a quick detour to understand why someone might even consider having multiple bank accounts. The allure of multiple accounts. Imagine this, you're working on a big personal savings goal, maybe a dream vacation or a down payment on a house. Every penny counts, and you want to avoid the temptation of dipping into those funds. Here's where a separate savings account comes in. By keeping your everyday spending separate from your long-term goals, you create a clear mental and physical barrier. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Multiple accounts can also be useful for managing shared finances. Couples might choose to have a joint account for shared bills and another separate account for individual spending money. This way, they can maintain transparency while also having some financial independence. And then there's the whole thing about managing your money across borders. International fees and currency exchange rates can eat away at your hard-earned cash. Having a bank account in the local currency of the country you live in or frequently visit can be a lifesaver. So, back to Monese, 1 or 2. Monese is a popular digital banking option, particularly for folks in Europe. It offers features like mobile banking, international money transfers, and multi-currency accounts. But can you, as a savvy financial user, leverage the system by having multiple Monese accounts? Here's the short answer. According to Monese terms and conditions, technically, no, you can't have more than one personal account registered with the same personal details. This makes sense. They need to prevent fraud and ensure responsible account management. However, there are some nuances to consider. Monese for business. Monese offers a separate account option, Monese for business. This is designed specifically for freelancers and entrepreneurs. If you qualify and have a registered business, you can potentially have both a personal Monese account and a Monese for business account. Joint accounts. Another option to explore is Monese joint account feature. This allows you to share an account with someone else, like a partner or family member. This could be a good way to manage shared finances while still technically maintaining just one Monese account per person. While Monese doesn't allow you to have multiple personal accounts under the same name, there are alternative strategies to consider depending on your needs. If you need separate accounts for business or shared finances, Monese for business and joint accounts offer some wiggle room. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your individual circumstances. Consider your financial goals and research all the available options before making a decision. Remember, managing your finances effectively is all about finding the tools and strategies that work best for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.